Hello and welcome to my channel, Sanctum with Eve. I'm Eve and I am inviting you to join me today as we celebrate heart opening in fall. Here I have a wind gong that I'll be playing in just a moment, and behind me, right there, is Venus. And Venus is known for heart opening and supporting that kind of movement of energy in the body. This is a heart-focused gong meditation to help us bring in and release. We're bringing in the positive vibes. I love this because we're bringing in the spirit of heart opening and we're releasing anything that is keeping our heart from opening. Any of the thoughts, ideas, feelings that keep us stuck in a closed heart. So let's see what happens. The intention is to bring harmony and balance to the body, mind, the emotions. And if you have another alternative intention, I invite you to think of that now. I invite you also to come to a comfortable position, whatever that looks like for you. Make sure that you're not driving, whether you're sitting, lying down, or something else. Allow yourself to take a moment to focus on the breath. Observing your inhale and your exhale. Notice any smells that you perceive. Notice how the air feels as it goes in and how it feels as it goes out. We're practicing observation without trying to change how much air is coming in or how much air is going out, the smells, the sensations. This role of the observer with our breath also mirrors the role of observer with our minds. And when we go deeper into meditation, how we can use that role to assist us in observing our own thought patterns and cycles. I invite you now to breathe into the stomach, filling both of the lungs with air, feeling the torso naturally rise with this expansion. And then a nice big exhale. If you feel like making a noise, make one. This is your time and your space to work with your body through sound and breath. Continue to breathe into the stomach. And with every exhale, not only are you releasing whatever you prefer to let go of, thoughts, emotions, physical sensations in the body. We can imagine that dissolving and coming out through the breath. But I also invite you to soften. Sometimes we hold ourselves so tight and so closed that it's hard for us to really learn to soften and to be supported by something else. And so I'm inviting you to soften into whatever is supporting your body at this time, if it's a chair, sofa, bed, or something else. Feel the weight of your body sinking deeper and deeper into your structure of support. As you continue to breathe for as long as it feels good and right for you, as long as you're using it to soften, and as long as you're using it to release. And then when you're ready, I invite you to begin meditating on your intention, holding that intention, whatever your heart's desire is, in your mind. Repeat it 3 times. And then let the sound wash over and through you as if you're not there, releasing as it does any energies you do not prefer. Begin to bring your awareness back to the breath, taking time to come back gently and slowly into this time and space. It's good to use silence after sound to help the body integrate and the mind integrate what may have arisen during the sound bath. It is normal to have seen colors, lights. Often people will have a full and beautiful video, movie-like quality in their minds, or go deeper into the sensations of the body. There's no right or wrong way to experience sound, but it does shift things inside of us. And because of that shift, I invite you to take some deep breaths, pulling the air into the stomach, and if anything arose that you would like to release, as you exhale, release it out of the body, out of the mind, out of the emotions, and inhale and release. And again, inhale and release at your own pace. And we begin to come back into the body, wiggling the fingers and the toes, and just checking in with the body for any motion or movement it might enjoy. It often feels good to stretch the arms, stretch the legs, have a gentle twist in the torso or something else. Use the natural intuition of your body to help you discover what it is and where it is you would like to move. And continue to come back. I invite you to journal what your experience was and take note, because over time you may observe and see patterns that arise each time you work with sound or other subtle energy practices. Take some time for yourself. Drink lots of water, for you have had a sonic cellular massage. I'll see you in the next sound bath. Have a beautiful day, evening, or afternoon.